This is the story of James, a man who lost everything. He had no job, no money, and no home. Every night, he slept on a park bench, wondering how his life had fallen apart so quickly. Some days, he didn't even have enough money to buy food. He felt invisible, forgotten, and completely hopeless. But one day, everything changed because of a single thing: artificial intelligence. One cold evening, James walked into a public library to escape the weather. While using a free computer, he noticed people talking online about something called ChatGPT. They claimed AI could help people earn money online. At first, James laughed. "How can a computer change my life?" he thought, but he had nothing left to lose. So he decided to give it a chance. Every day, he spent hours watching free tutorials, learning about AI tools, freelancing, and how ordinary people were making money online. After weeks of learning, James finally decided to take action. He created simple social media posts using AI tools and offered his services online. Days passed, but no clients came. Weeks passed, and still nothing happened. Most people would have given up, but James kept going. Then one morning, a notification appeared on his screen. He had landed his first customer. The job paid only $20, but to James, it felt like $1 million. For the first time in months, he felt something he hadn't felt in a long time: hope. James continued improving his skills every day. He used AI to create content faster, write better marketing posts, design simple graphics, and help small businesses grow online. Slowly, his client list started growing. One client became 5. 5 became 20. His income began increasing month after month. First, it was $100, then $500, then $1,000. Before he knew it, he was earning more than $5,000 every month. The man who once slept on a park bench was now making more money than he had ever imagined. A year later, James rented his own apartment. He bought new clothes, started eating healthy meals, and most importantly, regained his confidence. People saw his success, but they didn't see the sleepless nights, the failures, the rejection, and the hard work behind it all. They only saw the result. James didn't get lucky. He didn't win the lottery. He simply learned a valuable skill and refused to give up when life became difficult. Sometimes, one decision can change your entire future. And for James, that decision was learning AI. If a man with nothing could rebuild his life from the ground up, imagine what you can achieve if you start today.